Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or the Bitcoin forecasting, my friend. So maybe that candle is going to go back upward, my friend, till that zone here. And I'm going to explain to you why when we go into lower time frames, my friend. But now you stick with me to know more about those things, my friend. The only thing, my friend, because you need to put the good scenario and the bad scenario. The good scenario to cap today and tomorrow, and the volume to go back and spike again and to push it up till here, till that level here of 22,945. If it's not, my friend, you're going to see Bitcoin here or here at 17k, my friend. Let me put for you before the targets. Hello and welcome, my friend. We came back in another video. So if you are interested to our channel, please make sure to subscribe. By the way, also we put in every day 1 or 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin or the crypto world. So if you are interested, you can join us. And if you're watching us from the video down, you're going to find a red button. Click at it. It's going to become gray like that. Subscribe it. And next to it, you find that bell. You came to it and you turn it to all like that. And you're going to be notified every time when also we put in a new video. So go ahead and do it. You done it. And please smash that like button to help us to put more content like this, my friend. So, without further ado, let's go into start our lesson of today, my friend. Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or the Bitcoin forecasting, my friend. Again, as you see it, my friend, that here we are in the weekly, and that candle here, it's still the same. Nothing was changed, my friend. It's still a big engulfing red candle, as you see it. So there is nothing new, my friend. The only thing as we have here, that candle down, it's showing a big rejection now, and it's left for it here one day and something. So today and tomorrow. So maybe that candle is going to go back upward, my friend, till that zone here. And I'm going to explain to you why when we go into lower time frames, my friend. But now you stick with me to know more about those things, my friend. The only thing, my friend, because you need to put the good scenario and the bad scenario. The good scenario to cap today and tomorrow, and the volume to go back and spike again and to push it up till here, till that level here of 22,945. If it's not, my friend, you're going to see Bitcoin here or here at 17k, my friend. Let me put for you before the targets. I put for you the first target here. If it's falling, it's going to be 19,462. The second one is it here, 17,207, my friend. So be aware of those things. And another thing here in the weekly, my friend, our indicator, my friend, as you see it, as we are here at the oversold area, my friend, is a very good time, my friend. And that indicator, it doesn't go a lot to oversold area. Very rare, my friend. It went to it in 2018 here. And now as you see it, my friend, and he went to it in 2015, let's say it like that. So that indicator, when he go here in the weekly at the oversold area, that a big indication is the time for you to buy, my friend. But that for long term, my friend, not for short term. So I think that that things happening now in the chart, it's just a bump and dump to make you get scared and sold by losses, my friend. And I tell it to you in the last video, my friend, my advice to you, don't sell in losses. Don't sell in losses no matter what. What you're going to lose. If the Bitcoin go to zero, let it to go to zero. Don't sell by losses, my friend. Always hold in your Bitcoin, my friend. Bitcoin, it will go in upward, and it's not something is going to get spoiled, my friend. Bitcoin, my friend, is not a fish is going to get spoiled if you leave it or something. It's just a digital currency, my friend. It's going to stay there. The only thing is going to take long. That's it. If you're going to wait in 1 year, it's going to wait in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years maybe. So, but also we don't care. No matter you, as I tell you before, use interest rate, staking, like that, you gone. If you put only $500, but if it taken 1 year or 2 years by staking and the interest rate and those things is going to be $1,000. And when the Bitcoin start, you're going to double it, my friend, or triple it. Like that, how you're going to be wealthy, my friend. Not by day trading on those things. Remember those things, my friend? So, let's go in now to the daily, my friend, to show you more. Here we are, my friend, in the daily, and in the daily, as you see it, It's showing here the price and rejection as you see it, and the channel was withdrawn yesterday. It's still valid, my friend. And by the way, another thing, I saw big channels they taking our analysis. I don't have any problem with them to take our analysis because me I put it here for public. The only thing, if they take it, just make a shout out to our channel or a recommendation. Our channel is very small, my friend. I know you watching us. Our channel is not even 1000 subscriber. Your channel is more than 100k subscriber. Make a shout out or a recommendation to our channel to help us. Me, I don't have any problem for you to take our analysis. So let's continue, my friend. As you see here, my friend, today what the market done, as you see it, it came here a green candle like that. It's showing a rejection here in that zone. And me, I tell it to you before. I tell you, you got here a zone, that one also withdraw it here. And I told you, if it's break that supply and demand zone, the next zone is going to be here. And we put it with red yesterday together at 19,462. But me, I think that candle, that one, it will go until 50% of that bigger candle. And I will tell you why. That's something always happening, my friend. That's what me I told you. Me have been in that market for ages. Let's make it like that. So that candle, that green one, it will go till here. Do it with another color. It will go till here, my friend. Till that zone here. Then after that, maybe it's going to continue down, maybe it's not. So remember it, my friend. I mean, I tell it to you now, and you're going to come and you're going to say it. Maybe not that candle, maybe tomorrow candle or something, but the price it will go until here, till that level here. How we done it, my friend? That bigger candle, the one, the top of it and the lower of it, we calculating where is 50%. 50% is here, that the half of that candle. So that market here, it will go until here. And me, the things I saw it million times. The things, because majority of you didn't know me, I'm a day trader in Forex and those things. So when it came big news, the market it always push like that. Then it came like that till the half of that one. You enter sell the target of you, it's being here. That's another price action strategy. That's what we using before. So now that's what we is going the market to do, my friend. Everything in front of you, my friend. Nothing hard, nothing complicated, my friend. And here, let's go into the grid and fair index to see it. What is it there, my friend? Here in the fair and grid index, my friend, as you see it, where it is now. And the levels me I told you before, is it here between 20 and 5? I tell it to you before, like that. And I told you another one, you got it here between 60 and 45, my friend, like that. Like that. So let's change in that color. So my friend, as you see it, when it touched in here last time, it fell down. When he touched it here, it fell down. Now is it at the middle, my friend? Let's hope it's going to do like the last time. It's being here at the middle. Here, at the last time, it's being here at the middle. Then it went up. Let's hope now it's going to be at the middle. Then it's going to go up. But here, the only difference here now, if you bring it like that, a trend line like that, as you see it, my friend, it touches here. And now is it at the trend line? The same thing like the chart, how it's showing. That one is showing it just like an oscillator, my friend. So now is it a short-term trend and a long-term trend? As we said it before, we said also we got here a long-term trend like that, my friend. So he tried to break it here, but he couldn't. Then he went back. So I think everything is too clear, my friend. I don't want to zoom a lot to show you more. So everything is too clear, my friend. Let's going back to the chart now to show you more and to see our indicators, what they're saying. Here in the chart, my friend, let's see our indicator, what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the chart, my friend, as you see the 1 hour indicator, our indicator is showing here a rejection in that level here. I told you before. And that level, every time the prices came to it, as you see it here, my friend, here, every time he came to it, he reacts here, and now he came to it again. Well, not came to it exactly, but he came and he gave you there a peak like previous ones. So now he tried to give us a peak, my friend, as you see it here. Now he given us a peak, but let's wait in the daily candle to finish. If it's finished and that one enter inside, that means also we are going to go back upward. but we need to make a close attention at the long-term trend, that one. Also, we've been following for some time, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. I know our analysis is highly level, my friend. It's not for everyone. By the way, if you want to learn technical analysis, my friend, down below in the first comment, there is our highly recommended course. That course is going to teach you everything, my friend. If you want to learn just to analyze by that indicator, my friend, down below there is our investment course. We show you how to use that indicator. That one also using the right way, my friend. So let's see now what's going to happen, my friend. Let's go back to the chart to see what is it there. And our other indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's showing here. Also, we are in the orange. So there is no buying, no selling now. The only things, if there is a buying or selling signal in the lower time frames, that is going to be very good. So let's go into lower time frames to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as you see it, the market, it show here a rejection in that level. And it give you there a very well-known pattern, my friend. Let's zoom it like that for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see the market here, my friend, what it's giving you here, like that, and like that. The market give you there an inside bar, my friend, and that one, you need to wait in a candle to come to close above it like that. You enter long and you put the stop loss down here. If it came a candle down here and close below it, you enter short and you put the stop loss above it like that. So everything is too clear, my friend. And the volume here, the green one, the green candle, it showed there a spike because you touch in the lower of that trend or the lower of that channel as we drawing before. That one, my friend, that channel as we drawing before, if you remember it. Draw it from here and here and here and here. So now let's wait if it's going to go till that zone as we drawing here with red. That zone, by the way, is it at 22,200, my friend. I think it's going to go there, and if it go there, it's going to be very good, my friend. Or maybe it will go more higher than that. It's going to go till the 200 moving average. But let's see what's going to market to tell us, my friend. So let's see our indicator what it's saying, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it here, we are at the oversold area. And here I want to tell you something. How to use the indicators, my friend. As you see, my friend, the Bitcoin price, what it did here, it touched here a supply and demand zone. That's the first condition. Let's write it like that. One. Second one, oscillator here is it at the oversold area. It meant that is the second condition. The third condition, it needs to be that price action I told you before, that inside bar to came a candle and to break above it like that. That is a big signal for you to enter up, my friend. So let's wait in the 3 hours and something for the 4 hours candle to finish. If it finish bullish, my friend, that's the right time for you to enter long, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. Let's go into lower time frames to see what is it there, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in 30 minutes, my friend, you got something so special here. If you see it here, what you got here and here and here and here and here. You got a head and shoulder, my friend. The first shoulder here, the head is here, and the second shoulder is here. Where is the neckline? Is it here? It hasn't been broken. So it's need a 30-minute candle to come and to close above it like that. If it close above it, you enter long, you put the stop loss down in that one or down in the second shoulder, depending on your money management. The take profit, as I told you, here at that zone, as we drawing before, here, that one, we draw it with red, that one, because it's going to touch it, my friend, then it's going to fall down again. So if you enter in lower time frames, that the target of you, my friend, take a little bit of profit. So let's see now our indicators, what they say, my friend, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, my friend, as you see it, it's being here at the oversold area. And now it go out from it. Now it's going upward to the overbought area, my friend. That was me, I told you. I told you it's going to go till here, till that zone here. So that's another signal, my friend. I'm going to come to you and update you when the daily candle finishes, my friend. So see you when the daily candle finishes, my friend. Bye for now, my friend.